Welcome everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video we are going to be learning how to create filters on Gmail and label them properly. This is for you if you're a beginner. This video is simplified in a way that you will understand it. Without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So before you create a filter or label an email, you need to first of all have an email address from where the message is being sent to your own email address. For example, let's use this Bybit for example. You open an email. This is how I do mine. You may have your own pattern of doing it, but this is the simplest way I do mine. You open the email, you copy the email address, then click on the three dotted line above as shown in the arrow. Then you paste the email address you just copied. Once you paste it, it will pop up. You just click on it. When you click on it, then you click on create filters as shown from the arrow. When you click on it, this drop down will pop up. It has boxes. You can check the boxes as you wish. It's just asking you if you want to mark it as read, unread, important, send it to spam and the rest of them. Then for this particular filter I want to create, I don't have label for it already. I will just click on create new label. Then I will name it whatever name I want to give it. I'm giving it Bybit so that I will remember it easily. Then some of the boxes I will just click on them. I don't want it to be sent to spam, and I want previous messages from the same email to be sent to that same label I just created. Once you are done, then this left hand side, this is where you locate all the labels you have created. As you can see, here is the one I just created now, which is Bybit. I'll click on it. You see it, the four previous email addresses here. So that is just how to create your filters on Gmail in a simplified way. Thank you for watching. Bye.